Hi, in this video, I would like to show you how to install the Visual Studio 2022 official versions on the Windows 10. Basically, the newer version of the Visual Studio 2022 has just launched on the 8th of November 2021. So, in this video, I will install it on my Windows 10 and then we will explore the newer version of the Visual Studio for now. Okay, let's get started. Open browser and then you type in the Visual Studio 2022 in the search box, and then you can see in the search result we can see the information shared on the 8th November 2021 for the virtual launch event for Visual Studio 2022. Let's open this link. It will direct you to the visualstudio.microsoft.com website. And you see here on the top, we have the download Visual Studio button. We have three versions for now: Community, Professional, and Enterprise. I will go ahead to download the Enterprise version. Let's click on the Enterprise. And then it will navigate you to other web page. The executable file will be downloaded to the Windows PC. Let's go ahead to click on this file. It says that before you get started, we need to set up some few things so that you can configure for the installation. Let's go ahead to click on the continue button here. So this is the window. We have to select some of the feature of the Visual Studio to get the necessary file from the internet and then install it on the Windows PC. And here I will maximize this one to see it in bigger resolution. And basically in the web and cloud, I will select the ASP.NET and web development. Also the Azure development. Node.js for the desktop and mobile. If you want to build some of the feature for Windows and also mobile, you can select some other option here. Scroll it down, we have some other option for the gaming and other option for toolsets for the database, and also the SharePoint, Linux, and Visual Studio extension development. And you can also take a look into the right hand side to see some of the other information for the detail of installation. We have the Visual Studio Core Editor. You can click on the arrow button to see it more detail. Yeah, the same thing for ASP.NET and web development. Yeah, Azure. Yeah, assuming I already select all of the necessary file I want to download from the internet. So you see in the bottom of the right corner, we have some other option in the drop down list. Click on arrow button, and you see here we have two options: install whilst downloading and downloads on then install. So I will select first option and install while downloading. Yeah, click on the install button. And so now let's wait for the Visual Studio downloads the necessary file from the internet, and then it will install on the Windows PC. Okay, so now let's wait. Yeah, and you see here the Visual Studio Enterprise version 2022 has been installed successfully on the Windows PC. So now you have to restart your PC before using the Visual Studio on the PC. Here, after restart the PC, I can open Visual Studio on my Windows PC for now. This is the layout of the Visual Studio 2022. And you see here, it looks similar with the older version 2019. Here, on the left hand side, we have the Open Recent section. Here, and on the right hand side, we have the Get Status option. Clone a repository, open a project or solution, open a local folder, or even create a new project. Here, all of the functionalities look like the same with the older version. Here, we also have to continue without the code. And after that, when I click on the continue without the code, it will open the layout of the Visual Studio. Here. So here, I think it's not much difference, but it have some changes in the layout and icon. Yeah, it already simplifies something in the tool, and it look clean and clear. Okay, so here let's try to open a new project, and it's display a pop-up which allow me to select some of the templates here for create a new project. Okay, so I think it looks similar with the older version. And let's have some other video later on to explore the newer version of the Visual Studio 2022. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.